We're in Makar's workshops up near Inverness. We're doing a grading session on some sideboards that we're using for the Brett Staple panels. The process is that we put the sideboard on the weighing scales. They isolate it from the structure it's sitting on, and they weigh it because we need the density to actually calibrate the measurement that the machine gives. Because the sound wave is affected by the moisture content of the timber, in order to correct the grading for the correct moisture content for a batch of timber, we have to take moisture content readings. In this particular case, 14.3. We were aiming for 14% plus or minus 2%. We have the Brookhouse handheld grader. The handheld grader has a standardised hammer built into it, so you press the button, it hits the end of the piece of timber, and the sound wave and the frequency is converted into a stiffness, and there are various settings as well that can be used, but there are no settings as yet for Sitka spruce, which this timber is. So we do this for all the materials, and they're numbered so that you can tell where they are in the panel when we do some testing. This is a typical joinery press for making doors and windows, and the planks are stacked up on the frame. Then they're clamped into position using the hydraulic rams. The drill is just on a manual sliding arrangement that was manufactured by Neil, and it's drilled in at 300 centres. It has to be knocked in a little bit with a hammer, and then you can press them in with one of the rams before then the whole process just gets moved along and drill the next one. These ones are using beach dowels, and we're hoping that maybe in the future we can get a bit more automation going on these sort of things. It's quite a labour-intensive method, but this is how all the European manufacturers started.